Just as there are old money fashion brands associated with heritage, craftsmanship, and understated luxury like Hermes, Chanel, and Loro Piana, there are new money fashion brands that symbolize modern wealth, trend-driven luxury, and bold status symbols. These brands may still feature logos, but in a refined, sophisticated way, with structured, contemporary silhouettes and luxurious fabrics that attract the younger, new money women. These are the hottest 15 luxury brands that define the refined yet unmistakably modern wardrobe of the new money woman, and exactly how they wear them. Nadine Merabi is a luxury fashion brand known for its bold and glamorous designs that exude sophisticated elegance and timeless femininity. The brand has become a go-to for women seeking to make an unforgettable impression at special occasions with its high-fashion evening wear and chic cocktail dresses, which are favorites for those looking for show-stopping, red carpet-worthy looks. Some of the brand's signature pieces include sequin dresses, tailored blazers, and elegant cocktail dresses. Magda Butrym is a Polish fashion brand known for its modern yet romantic approach to women's clothing. The brand is known for its distinctive combination of sharp tailoring and romantic elements, creating pieces that are both chic and edgy. The designs often incorporate intricate embroidery, lace, ruffles, and luxurious fabrics like silk, satin, and velvet, which give the garments an opulent yet modern feel. Key pieces of the collections include sculptural dresses, tailored outerwear, and striking separates like leather skirts, knitwear, and statement blouses. Kaite is a luxury fashion brand that blends modern sophistication with classic American design. Their pieces are minimalist yet feminine, versatile, and timeless, easily dressed up or down. Its designs often feature subtle modern updates to classic styles, making them both chic and wearable for the contemporary woman. Their collections include pieces that can be mixed and matched for a refined, effortless look, such as tailored high-waisted trousers, fluid draped dresses, and sculptural leather bags. Gabriella Hearst offers a refined, modern aesthetic with an emphasis on timeless, elegant pieces that blend feminine silhouettes with masculine tailoring. The designs incorporate a sense of ease with elegant dresses, tailored coats, and luxurious accessories that prioritize longevity over fleeting trends. Each piece is designed with longevity and refined femininity in mind. Some of the standout pieces of the collections include cashmere sweaters, tailored suits, evening dresses, and minimalist handbags. Nanushka, a Hungarian brand that seamlessly blends contemporary cuts with timeless elegance, making it a favorite for the polished new money woman. The brand focuses on creating versatile, sustainable pieces that combine minimalist silhouettes with bold, unexpected details and characterized by relaxed yet refined styles. The brand has popularized the use of sustainable vegan leather in everything from jackets and coats to trousers and skirts. Brandon Maxwell is all about effortless glamour. Maxwell's designs are crafted for women who want to exude confidence, power, and sophistication. The collections focus on sleek, sophisticated silhouettes that highlight the female form, featuring bold cuts, luxurious fabrics, and an air of modern opulence. Maxwell's approach to design is rooted in an understanding of the power of simplicity, creating pieces that are minimalistic yet incredibly chic. The brand's timeless pieces can be dressed up or down, but always radiate glamour and style, like the silk tops, dresses, and tailored suits. Philipp Plein, a German brand known for its bold, extravagant aesthetic that blends luxury with streetwear influences, creating a distinctive and edgy look that appeals to those seeking statement pieces. The collections are characterized by their use of lavish materials, heavy embellishments, and eye-catching designs, often featuring intricate detailing like crystals, studs, and metallic elements. Some of the brand's statement pieces are body-hugging dresses, leather trenches, and handbags with crystal embellishments. If you enjoy content like this, be sure to subscribe for more insights on elegance, confidence, and timeless style. Wardrobe NYC Wardrobe NYC is a modern fashion brand founded on the concept of wardrobe essentials, focusing on high-quality, versatile pieces that prioritize timelessness and effortless style. Known for its minimalist aesthetic, the brand offers a capsule collection of luxury essentials designed to seamlessly integrate into any modern woman's wardrobe. These pieces transcend seasonal trends, offering a sophisticated, timeless look that can be worn for years. The brand's collection includes versatile, elevated items like tailored blazers, high-waisted trousers, slip dresses, and button-down shirts. Pieces designed to be easily mixed and matched for both casual and formal occasions. Peter Doe is known for its precise tailoring, architectural silhouettes, and understated elegance, embodying a new era of quiet luxury. The brand's structured yet fluid designs have made it a go-to for new money women seeking effortless sophistication and timeless design. Their signature pieces are oversized suiting, evening gowns, and asymmetric blouses. Rosetta Getty is a luxury fashion brand known for its refined minimalism, effortless sophistication, and versatile wardrobe staples. The brand blends relaxed Californian ease with sharp, modern tailoring, creating pieces that transition seamlessly from day to night. Its designs emphasize clean lines, fluid silhouettes, and luxurious fabrics, embodying quiet luxury with a contemporary edge. Opt for the brand's fluid wrap dresses, asymmetric tops, and tailored suits. Pat Bow is a Brazilian luxury fashion brand with sophisticated and feminine designs that exude bold glamour, romanticism, and a sense of playful elegance. The use of vibrant colors, exquisite embroidery, floral motifs, and metallic elements make Pat Bow's collections stand out in the luxury fashion world. Standout pieces in its collection include flowy dresses, jumpsuits, and embellished tops designed to stand out while maintaining a sense of elegance and sophistication. Tove is a London-based contemporary brand that has quickly gained recognition for its refined yet wearable designs, offering a modern take on feminine elegance. It's known for its timeless wardrobe staples that emphasize clean lines, sophisticated cuts, and high-quality fabrics. Tove has carved out a niche in the fashion world by blending minimalism with feminine sensuality, creating pieces that feel both luxurious and functional. The brand's signature pieces include wrap dresses with unique fabric draping, tailored trousers and blazers, and flowing skirts, perfect for daytime chic or evening events. Victoria Beckham is known for its refined tailoring, feminine silhouettes, and sophisticated color palettes, making it a staple in the world of luxury fashion. The brand collections are a reflection of the designer's personal style, polished, clean, streamlined, and endlessly chic. The brand's clothing emphasizes versatility, allowing women to easily transition from work to evening with a cohesive and chic look. The brand's signature pieces, which have become favorites, include the shift dress, pencil skirt, and tailored wool suits. Altuzarra is known for its blend of Parisian sophistication with American influences. The designs are perfect for the modern woman who seeks clothing that is empowering, versatile, and classic with a contemporary edge. The collections feature timeless wardrobe staples with a modern twist. Some signature pieces and designs include tailored blouses, wrap dresses, and layered outerwear, designed to make a statement while remaining practical for everyday wear. Coperni is a French brand known for its bold, futuristic, and innovative yet wearable approach to fashion. The brand has quickly become a favorite of the new money woman who appreciates subtle statements that combine modern technology with classic Parisian elegance. It has gained a reputation for pushing boundaries with cutting-edge silhouettes, minimalist aesthetics, and an inherent sense of youthful energy. The brand's standout pieces include the swipe bag, body-conscious dresses, and tech-driven accessories. The new money woman's elegance is about embracing luxury in a modern way, making sophisticated yet bold choices that reflect both her personal taste and elevated status, all while maintaining a sense of understated opulence. It's about strategic statement pieces, perfect tailoring, and effortless combinations. Here's how they wear these brands. Monochromatic ensemble. A full look in one color creates an effortlessly refined and elegant appearance. Tailored pieces, like a structured blazer that instantly elevates an outfit, whether paired with wide-leg trousers or a sleek midi dress. Using luxurious fabrics, such as cashmere knit paired with tailored wool trousers, feels rich without trying too hard. Strategic accessories, like sculptural bags or sleek belts, add just the perfect touch of modern detail. Mixing modern with timeless pieces, like layering a contemporary coat over a classic dress, creates a seamless blend of both styles. New money elegance is about striking a balance, being refined without being outdated, modern without being trendy. These brands have become staples of the new money aesthetic and are the perfect embodiment of that ideal. Timeless yet current, sophisticated yet forward-thinking. I would love to know, do you already have any favorite new money brands in your wardrobe? Are there any new money brands you know that haven't been added to the list? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and we'll keep bringing you fresh, stylish, and elegant content. Have a fashion topic in mind? Share your ideas. We're listening. See you in the next one. And until then, stay chic, stay stylish, stay elegantly refined.